little baby. You say that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love me.
And I'm gonna tap.
Hello, how are you? It's gonna be 1564 today, hon.
Okay, and I'm tapping.
Tapping. That is so cute.
There we go.
That's so cute.
Thank
All right,
you.
You're welcome. Here's that. And I hope you have a wonderful day, babe.
Thank you. There it goes.